Hello dear Taurus, welcome back to my channel, and this is your reading for the full moon of July 23rd, 2021. So let's begin shuffling. I'm going to select two random cards from this deck. Let's see which one is calling out to me. I think this one, which is hidden deep down, Angel of Clarity. And maybe this one, the Angel of Good Fortune. Angel of Clarity and Angel of Good Fortune. So let's begin. Angel of Clarity. Angel asking you, are you trying to gain clarity? Do things seem hazy and dark right now? Is your path unclear or uncertain? So you might be feeling this way in your professional life or your personal life. Maybe you don't know a complete thing, or you don't have a complete clarity over a certain situation in your personal life. I also feel that some of you might be blocked from somewhere. Some of you might be distant from your partner, and you're trying to understand what's really happening in their life. You want more clarity as to whether they want you or they don't want you, that kind of a feeling. And that's why you're like, I don't know what's going on, I don't know if it's even worth it, I don't know whether I should pursue it or not, or maybe you have blocked them and because you are unsure about them around this time. So the angel is asking you, go within to see the positive in all circumstances. Maybe you are unnecessarily creating situations in your life which are not needed, which are not even there, and you are just worsening the situation by imagining the worst outcomes of all. Focus on the matter at hand. Maintain loving thoughts surrounding your current life situation. So if you think there is a negative situation in your life, whether that's job related, your business related, or your personal life related, you have to maintain loving thoughts around that situation, that no, the person is good, no, he or she loves me, no, my job is good, no, my business is good. Speak these positive affirmations. Especially the positive affirmation from the Angel of Clarity for you is, I see my life situation clearly and from a greater perspective. I am focused in all that I can do. I am lovingly conscious in every action I take. I proceed with a greater understanding of what is required of me. Beautiful. Okay? Now, let's see what the Angel of Good Fortune has to say for you. Do you wish for more luck? Maybe sometimes, we have everything, but we're still, in that negative zone, and we think that I don't think I'm lucky enough. People are so lucky in love. People are so lucky in job. I am not satisfied. You are, I think, not satisfied somewhere with your love life or your professional life. The angel is saying, be assured that you have all the luck that you need. It's almost as if you have a 4-leaf clover in your pocket. Beautiful. Focus on your vast abundance and you will attract more. You have good luck and great adventures when you travel. So some of you might be thinking of traveling. The angel is telling you that it's safe to travel and you will find great adventures when you travel. The positive affirmation for you is, in case you still feel that you're unlucky, despite the fact that you have everything that you need, you're not focusing on what you have. Instead, you're focusing on what you don't have. Maybe you're single and you don't have a partner, and you're focusing on the fact that you don't have a partner yet, or you're if you're fighting with your spouse, or if your business is not going that great, then that is also bothering you. Not thinking that it is going good. It's not at that level where you want, but it's still going good. You are still better off than your friends or your people who are not at your level. So if you see around, you have all the luck that you need. The positive affirmation for you is, I am so incredibly lucky. I have many blessings in my life. Abundance and prosperity are constantly flowing in my life. I am grateful for these gifts. Safe adventure travel filled with cosmic coincidence is a certainty. So definitely, if you guys are thinking of traveling around this time, don't worry about it. All is gonna be good. The angel is by your side. The message for you is that you have to be positive. I think you that feeling of lack of luck in your life or in your personal life, you don't have the clarity that you need, all is going to come to you if you give out positive thoughts. So What you have to do is maintain loving thoughts, and that's about it. Then you see how life situation will change. Then you start noticing the things that you have in your hand, and you'll start being more happy and content with what you have. You know, you're not seeing what you have right now. I feel, Taurus, you have everything and you're still overlooking it. Some, I don't know why, you know. So focus on what you have. Maintain loving thoughts is what I would like to say, and you have all the luck that you need. Okay, so I hope you guys like this reading. Take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.